Alright, back with the gearbox here. I've pulled it out of the arm assembly and just wanted to show one thing, which is that the gear teeth are fine. So the smaller size gear teeth aren't really a problem, and that's very interesting. At least with this very short run and no lubrication, they were okay. I actually thought that it had failed maybe on the gear teeth, didn't expect the output posts. I made slightly larger output posts on the new one, but also larger teeth, with a smaller reduction per stage and a 2-stage gear reduction, so I could actually get a higher ratio. So it wasn't really about smaller teeth, it wasn't really about bigger teeth, it was about the ratio. Yeah, still functional.